In this tutorial, you will learn how to get price and lead time, require an offer, and place an order for spare parts for your Norden machine. To enter Norden's Webshop, log in with the username and password provided by your Norden representative. On the top menu, please click Services and continue to Coesia Webshop Application. Once you have logged in, you are ready to start searching for spare parts for your Norden machine. You may choose the suitable language in the drop-down menu. Search for a spare part in the part number field. When you search, please note you need to state the part number as written in the spare part manual. Again, please note include space and dashes for the required part. You can easily see if the spare part is in stock, the price, and the expected delivery time. Together with the part number, the image will help you find the spare part you require. Add items to the cart by clicking the cart icon. Fill in the required quantity and state the machine number. Click OK. To add spare parts to the cart directly, please go to the Cart tab in the top menu. Click Add Item. In the pop-up window, please state the spare part number quantity, and machine number. Click Insert. We are now adding additional items to the cart. Please note that the spare part numbers and letters are written in a certain way. You will find the correct way of stating the spare part numbers in the manual. When all of your required items are added, click Cancel. Go to the cart and check that all the required items are included. Now you are ready to insert an offer or order. Click Insert a new offer. Fill in the Request for Quotation Number field with the machine number, state requested delivery date, and your company contact reference. Please note, the Request for Quotation Number field is mandatory. State the addresses in box destination, final destination, and invoice destination. Use the Header Notes field for additional messages to your customer service representative. Click Insert. Please note, when an offer has been created, it can no longer be edited. To view your required offers and orders, click the tab Order Offer Status. Please tick one of the checkboxes to view offers, orders, or all. Click Search. When the spare parts have been added to the cart and you would like to place your order, click Insert a new order. Fill in order number, requested delivery date from the calendar, and your company contact reference. State the addresses in box destination, final destination, and invoice destination. Use the header notes field for additional messages to your customer service representative. Click Insert. Please note, when an order has been created, it can no longer be edited. To view your required offers and orders, click the tab Order Offer Status. Please tick one of the checkboxes to view offers, orders, or all. Click Search. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions.